Hey, what's up, students? Here we go. Let's go over the pumpkin spiced USB port. Wow, that's elaborate. You forgot to charge your phone overnight. Oh no, that never happens. You plug it in at 7:39 a.m. and your phone says charging 10%. 1 hour, 12 minutes until full. Okay. How much percent is needed to be fully charged? Okay, this is an easy one. I start things off pretty nice for you here. If it's 10% and it's charging, full is 100% fall. Maybe it was the pumpkin spice thing. Maybe think of fall. My bad. Full. That's not focused. No, it is. Full is 100%. So if you have 10%, that means you need 90% to be fully charged. Wow, pretty tough, right? Well, just hang on a second. If it charges at a constant rate, how many seconds does it take to increase by 1%? Ooh. Okay, so it says you're going to get this 90% in 1 hour and 12 minutes. So how many seconds is it going to take for just 1%? It's actually not that bad. Notice I've kind of set this one up to figure it out. So there's 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. In 12 minutes, there's this many seconds. How did I get that? I took 12 minutes times 60. Okay, 12 times 60. There we go. So I got my total seconds. 3,600 seconds is an hour, and then the other 12 minutes is another 720 seconds. So I got to find the total seconds. Seconds per 1% is a unit rate. So you got to take the total seconds divided by this number. That's how many percents you have to go. You got 90% to go in that many seconds. So let's do that really quick. So 3,600 plus 720 is that many. So that number is going to go right here. 4,320 divided by 90. So to find the seconds per percent, I'm going to take the seconds divided by the percent. Oh, 48. That's a nice one. It's going to take you exactly 48 seconds. That's charging pretty fast. Every 48 seconds, you get a percentage back. That's pretty nice. Okay, so again, how did I do that? I took the total seconds from here, the total seconds divided by how many power percentages, whatever you want to call that, percentages that I needed to attain. All right, so here you go, 4,320 divided by 90, and I got 48. Now it says the nearest whole second, so we were pretty lucky it got to a whole second, but some of them are not going to be so pretty. You're not really going to count decimals of a second in these cases. Okay, so nearest whole second. All right, so next one. If you have to leave at 8:07, what percent should you reach? Ooh, let's go back. You plugged it in at 7:39, and you're going to unplug it at 8:07. That's a changing time of 28 minutes. You're going to let the thing charge for 28 minutes from 7:39 to 8:07. All right, so 28 minutes go by. As you can see, I've already taken it times 60 because if it's going to increase by 1% in 48 seconds, I probably need to figure out how many seconds there are in 28 minutes. So I've done that already, excuse me. All right, so 1680, there's 1,680 seconds in 28 minutes, and every 48 seconds I'm getting a percentage back. So if I divide by 48, I'll get how many percentage points I'm going to attain. Here we go. So 1680 divided by 48 is, wow, this worked out really nice. Look at that. That's beautiful. 35. Okay. I'm going to get 35 percentage points. Now, what percentage should you reach? Oh, here's the people are going to trip at the finish line. You're at 10%, and you just found out that during the next 28 minutes, you're going to gain 35%. So you add 35% to this guy. So you should be at 45% when you leave the house, or when you leave at 8:07. Oh, look at that bad boy. That was awesome. All right. So that's all you had to do. So you can do that. Okay. Obviously, it takes a little bit of time. But using this number, like you can use this right off of your phone. When you plug it in and you have these numbers, you take how much percent you have to go, you take how many seconds it's going to take, okay? You take these seconds and you divide by how much you need to go, you can figure out the seconds per 1%. And then you can figure out a whole bunch of other things. Like in this application, you got 28 minutes So you take the seconds divided by how much you get in 48 seconds, 35%, add it, so there you go. So real life application. So just using the numbers that you see in real life and what you can do with them. So I'm sorry to ruin that for you. So every time you plug in your phone, please think of the pumpkin spiced USB port.